In this video, I'm going to show you 7 amazing benefits of fasting. You might have heard of 1 or 2 on this list, but I guarantee you haven't heard of all 7 of these. And number 7 on this list is probably the most shocking one, and I just can't wait to share it with you. Hey friends, my name is Ben Azadi. I am a certified functional health practitioner, and I am on a mission to educate 1 billion people on planet Earth, and I am grateful for you to spend part of your day with me. Now we know fasting has been around since the dawn of humankind. Just because it's trending on Dr. Google doesn't mean it's a health fad, it's actually a health fact. Amazing things happen in the human body, and I'm going to break down the top 7 benefits of fasting that go way beyond just weight loss. The number 1 benefit is autophagy. You might have heard of autophagy. The Nobel Prize winner from 2016 won the Nobel Prize for his breakthrough research in this field. Autophagy, the definition for that is self-eating. The body requires about 70 billion cells to be recycled and regenerated every single day. And that's what autophagy does. It's a switch that's turned on. I want you to think of this ship that's going through the Atlantic Ocean, and they're facing a lot of rough seas. They're entering a storm, and there's 100 passengers and the crew members and the captain of this ship. What are they going to do as they're going through this storm and they're taking on all this water and they're beginning to sink? The captain is going to order the crew members to start dumping cargo that is least important so they could get through this storm. That is what's happening when you fast. The body thinks that it's essentially dying because there's no food coming in. So amazing things start to happen. This switch is turned on, the autophagy switch, and your body starts dumping unimportant cargo, cells that have expiration dates in them. Just like the refrigerator you have in your kitchen that has expired groceries in it, your cells have an expiration date. So if we're not taking the time to get rid of those expired groceries, to get rid of those expired cells, then disease occurs, bacteria occurs, and a lot of problems start to happen. So we require up to 70 billion cells need to be recycled every day, and the only way we could get that is through this process called autophagy that's turned on through fasting. Most people, they're not getting any autophagy because they're constantly spiking their glucose and insulin, and they're eating frequently throughout the day. The average American eats 17 to 21 times per day. I'm not saying they're sitting down at a table and feasting 17 to 21 times per day, but I am saying this. Think about the handful of almonds they grab, a sip of kombucha, a little bite of that yogurt, a protein bar. They're spiking glucose and insulin 17 to 21 times per day. And guess what happens? Whenever you spike glucose and insulin, you're in this fed state. Glucose and insulin goes up, autophagy goes away. There's 2 pathways that we activate. Either we're activating something called mTor, which stands for mechanistic target of rapamycin. That signals anabolic growth. When mTor is up, autophagy is gone. So when you're eating frequently throughout the day, you're not getting this autophagy process. You're not able to recycle cells. You know what happens? We get damaged cells that never get recycled, that end up building on top of each other, and then cancer, Alzheimer's, and all these nasty diseases start to occur. So we want to give our body a period of time where it could heal itself. And that is why autophagy is so beneficial. So that's number 1 of 7 amazing benefits of fasting. The number 2 amazing benefits of fasting, you get a rise in stem cells. Now you might have heard of stem cells being injected into people, getting it from placentas and getting it from other people. I'm not talking about that. This requires no money and no risk because your body naturally produces stem cells when you fast. Stem cells are needed to heal the body, to heal old injuries. And the older we get, the less quantity and quality stem cells we have available. So we want to teach our body to produce it naturally so the body can start healing itself. If you have an old injury, a knee surgery you had back in the day, or you had just a history of lower back pain, stem cells are going to heal that part of your body when you activate it via fasting. Stem cells can turn into different things in the body: blood, bone, muscles, neurons, and nerves. So it can heal the brain, it can heal the tissue, it can heal your blood. It is one of the most powerful ways to anti-age yourself and to feel good because pain starts to go away. So if you want to be pain-free, if you want to feel like a rock star, you want stem cells through fasting. So that's tip number 2. Number 3 amazing benefit of fasting is that you get a rise in ketones. We know all about the keto diet. We know how important ketones are. Here are just some benefits of what ketones do to the human body. We know that ketones protect our DNA because the cell membrane is made up of protein, saturated fat, and cholesterol. So it's made up of 3/4 fat. It loves fat. So when we produce ketones, when we teach our cells to use fat for fuel, the cell membrane is what communicates with our DNA to express the good genes or the bad genes. So when we produce ketones, we are actually protecting our DNA. If we have a history of cancer or heart disease or diabetes in the family, we're never going to trigger that gene because we are protecting the DNA through ketones. We know that ketones downregulate inflammation, which is very important if you want your fat-burning hormones to get into the cell, if you want to feel good, if you want to prevent disease, because we know disease is linked to inflammation. Ketones also give you the metabolic flexibility to burn fat as your primary fuel source, but not the only fuel source. We want to be able to go back and forth glucose to fat without a hiccup, and that's what metabolic flexibility is. Most people don't have that. They go and they start cutting their carbs or they start fasting and they just totally go hypoglycemic and they crash. So ketones allow that metabolic flexibility so you could actually tap into your fat stores for fuel and feel great while you do it. We know that ketones burn cleaner. Ketones are like a natural gas stove. It burns very clean, minimal smoke. Compare that to glucose, which most people are sugar burners. That's a toxic fuel source. That's aging us faster. That is like burning firewood. It creates a lot more smoke. So let's burn ketones and not glucose as the primary fuel source. And fasting allows you to actually produce these ketones. And then last is we know that the keto diet, science has shown that it turns on something called the SIRT1 gene. The SIRT1 gene is an anti-aging longevity gene. So if you want to extend your life, you want this gene turned on, and ketones turn it on, and you activate ketones through fasting. The number 4 amazing benefit of fasting is something called energy diversion. Look, it takes massive amounts of energy and resources to digest food. Just from the chewing part and then the digesting part to assimilate macronutrients to micronutrients, and it takes blood flow from the brain to digest that food. When you are fasting, you still have all that energy and all that blood flow, but instead of using it for digestion, you're using it to heal your body. You're using it for the task at hand. So you have more energy, more focus while your body's healing itself. Very powerful. Most people struggle with energy is because they're constantly digesting food and their body's taking energy away from the task at hand, their day-to-day activities, whether it's family, you're on a trip with your family, or it's a presentation at work. You're taking energy away from that to digest food. Dr. Zach Bush, who's a triple board certified doctor, brilliant man, he did a study at the University of Virginia and he showed that a typical standard American meal, so standard American diet, that's what SAD stands for, very appropriate acronym there, of 800 calories, which so was about 2 to 3 slices of pizza these college students had. It took 14 hours for that pizza, that meal to be digested. So for 14 hours, their body was not healing itself, their body was not using energy and blood flow for the task at hand, and it was instead using it to process that food. So think about that. Think about what fasting does. You're giving your body energy, you're giving your body blood flow to heal itself and to feel great. Number 5, amazing benefit of fasting is something called hormone optimization. We know all about hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers. They are the language of the human body. We have over 600 hormones. You might have heard of the most popular ones out there: testosterone, human growth hormone, estrogen, thyroid, insulin. There's many, many out there. We know that when we fast, our hormones and the receptors on our cells that receive the signals from the hormones become more sensitive. I'm going to show you how this works. I know you love when I draw circles, these cells, right? We're made up of 50 to 70 trillion cells, and every cell has these receptor sites on them. Think of these as cell phone antenna signals. Our cell has DNA inside of it. We have ATP that produces energy, and that is what a cell looks like. Now hormones, I'm going to put testosterone for T. I'm going to put, I'm going to put test for T, and then TYO, and then thyroid, and I'm going to also put insulin. So I'm going to just talk about 3 hormones here: testosterone, thyroid, and insulin. They send signals to your cells. And we want this to be a very efficient communication system because we want insulin to push glucose into the cell so you don't have high blood sugar levels. We want thyroid to go into the cell to produce energy, what makes you feel good and burn fat. Same thing with testosterone. It helps you build muscle, feel good, have energy. We want this to be a very efficient communication system. Now, we know that hormones are becoming desensitized because of inflammation, because of too much food being processed, because of eating too frequently, eating too many carbs, and environmental toxins. I mean, I could go on and on and on. What happens is when we have inflammation around our cells and hormones become desensitized, these receptor sites become blunted. So hormones can't get into the cell, so we don't feel good, and then symptoms start to occur. So desensitized hormones are linked to obesity, diabetes, it's linked to a lot of disease. So we want more sensitive hormones. We know that fasting helps reduce cellular inflammation, and it makes these receptor sites more sensitive to the hormones. So they are able to communicate into the cell. Most people's cells are blunted. They're deaf to the screams from your hormones. So we don't have a hormone problem. We don't have a lack of hormone problem. Giving somebody more hormones will not solve this problem. This is like somebody who has been listening to headphones, music for a long period of time, loud music. They become deaf. Same thing with these receptor sites. Your hormones and your receptor sites become deaf. Now, the solution is not to give somebody more hormones. The solution is not to increase the volume. What is the solution? The solution is to slowly decrease the volume so they can start to hear again. Fasting creates more sensitive hormones, so you can start to do that. That is how you get healthy at a cellular level. All right, we're down to the last two benefits here. Number 6, it resets the microbiome. 90% of Americans have leaky gut. They're not able to properly digest food, and it's leaking out into the bloodstream, creating an autoimmune response. What happens next is autoimmune diseases. There's over 100 of them, and they all stem from leaky gut. When we fast, it's finally giving the body a period of time to repair its digestive system. Most people, they never give their digestive system a break. This is like a corporate worker named Timothy who goes into his corporate job from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and he works a full day of work and he's exhausted and he's walking to his car because he just got out of work and he gets a phone call from his boss and his boss says, "Hey Timothy, we need you to come back to the office and work another 5 hours." Exhausted, goes back into his office and he works another 5 hours. Now it's 10 p.m. at night. He's totally destroyed. He's walking to his car again. Timothy gets that same phone call from his boss saying, "We need you to come back in for another 5 hours." Imagine this happening for weeks. Now imagine this happening for months and even years. That's what we're doing to our digestive system. We are destroying it by not giving it a period of time where it could recuperate, repair, and heal itself. That's what fasting does. It reduces inflammation. It reduces leaky gut so your body could start digesting food and assimilating it properly. Because if you have a leaky gut, if you have a destroyed digestive system, it doesn't matter how good your diet is. If you can't assimilate that food, you're not going to get well. And fasting helps you bring down inflammation within the gut so you can start digesting that food and feeling great. All right, number 7 on this list is my favorite because most people have been led to believe that they don't have control over this, and you're gonna see you have much more control over this. All right, number 7, fasting resets your DNA. You've been told that you're born with a set of genes and you can't change those genes. It's true, you cannot change your genes, but you can change the expression of those genes. In fact, genes load the gun when you're born. You determine whether or not you pull the trigger. I believe that genetics only play up to 3% of disease. That means we have 97% control over the expression of our DNA. Fasting is a powerful way to turn off bad genes and let the body heal itself. This right here is my favorite one because it gives you the power. It gives you a reversal of destiny. So if you have cancer or heart disease or diabetes in your family history, that doesn't necessarily mean that that's your future. You have control. Fasting is a powerful way to let your body heal itself. What we want to do is remove the interference and let the body heal itself. Right now, the interference is eating too frequently, eating too much, and eating the wrong foods. Fasting takes care of all of that. It allows your body to heal itself, repair itself, and I hope this was very helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button, share this with a friend, share it with somebody who's fasting so they can get more excited about why they're fasting, and subscribe to this channel because I am launching brand new videos every single day. If you haven't gotten my free book, it's called The Fasting Cheat Sheet. I outline the top 20 questions on intermittent fasting and I answer it for you, back it up with science, and I want you to have it for free. If you go to fastingcheatsheet.com, you can get that for free. I want to thank you for your time, for your energy, and I will see you soon. Thank you for spending part of your day with me. Bye.